Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your PayPal account won't link to your bank account. This is a common problem, but with the right checks, you can get it working quickly. First, make sure the name on your PayPal account matches exactly with the name on your bank account. Even a small difference, like a missing middle initial or a typo, can cause PayPal to reject the link. Next, confirm that your bank account is eligible. PayPal only accepts checking accounts, not savings or virtual accounts from some providers. If you're using a joint account, ensure both names are properly registered. Sometimes the issue is as simple as incorrect details. Double check your account number and routing number before saving them in PayPal. A single digit mistake will block the connection. If you've recently tried linking the account several times, PayPal may temporarily block it. In that case, remove the account, wait 24 hours, and try adding it again. Also, make sure your bank account isn't already linked to another PayPal account, since PayPal only allows one active connection per bank. For accounts outside the US, check if your bank supports PayPal withdrawals in your country. Some smaller banks don't yet have agreements with PayPal, and that can cause errors. If everything looks correct and it's still not working, try linking your account from the PayPal website instead of the app, or contact your bank to make sure they're not blocking the authorization request. With these fixes, most linking issues are solved, and you'll be able to connect your PayPal to your bank smoothly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another quick fix.